Today I am going to make an Ikebana inspired asymmetric floral arrangement. So I've been wanting to make one of these for so long. You've probably seen these on Pinterest or at a wedding. They are like an art form of itself, and I just love how creative you can get with the shape and the colors, and so I'm really excited to try it out today. So I'm going to be using this flower frog. I got this off Facebook Marketplace, and this is made in Portugal. I fell in love with the blue and white design. It reminds me of a French country aesthetic, which I love. And then I also got some flowers from Trader Joe's. I bought 3 bouquets. I went with some white, yellows, and oranges because I think these colors are going to complement the blue really well. First, I'm gonna put some water so that these flowers don't dry up. I'm also gonna put a bit of the flower food in here. Mix that up using my chopstick. So as you can see, there's multiple holes in here. I'm gonna try to go with which stems can be the most stable in these slots. So we've only got about like 2 months left of summer. Technically summer ends, I believe, on September 22nd, but I feel like when it reaches September, most people just feel like it's fall. I do. Whenever it's September, I'm like, oh, it's time for fall. I'm already seeing fall home decor products being sold and being shared online, and I'm getting a little sad because I feel like I missed summer. It's really foggy where we are, so we haven't really had like a lot of sunny days, and that's another reason why I wanted to do this floral arrangement. I wanted something like bright and summery. So if you look right here, I'm crossing some stems around each other to provide stability for the center one. So this is going to be a centerpiece for this coffee table, so I want it to look good from all angles. I'm going to turn it around as I do it. I am removing some leaves because I don't want it to look too hairy. I think that these Ikebana inspired arrangements usually have a very minimal look. Also, some of these leaves are just not looking so good. So this angle here looks like it's missing something, like it's facing away but not forward. So I'm gonna add something right here. That helps it. So now there's a flower facing it from this angle. We have got some greenery here. These are so pretty. I love florals and branches that just have like a bunch of little things in them. It's like baby's breath flowers, how it's like so little. Makes it look so romantic. Ooh. This adds a really nice like volume. I think these would look good sort of like in between things. So far I'm loving how this looks from this angle. I need to improve the other angles a little bit. I think we're missing some volume here, so I'm going to fill it up. I'm so glad that I went with 3 bouquets. I was only gonna buy 2, but I'm actually going through this really fast. Ooh. What do you think? I'm happy with how it is right now, so it's looking pretty balanced from all angles. I'm going to fill some in with these flowers now. These have not bloomed yet, but I think these are gonna look so pretty when they do. If you made it this far, give me your favorite flower emoji down below and let me know what you thought about this DIY. This was extremely easy to do. It was just trial and error. If you are wanting to try this out, I recommend just starting with a base color and then scattering that around. So that was the white flowers for me, and then adding in your pops of colors in between. The vase also made it really easy. If you don't have a flower frog vase that has holes like this one, you can also buy a little flower frog that goes inside another vase, and I'll link that for you down below. There's a bunch of different varieties of flower frogs, so I will add all of those down below for you as well. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up to let me know, and if you'd like to see more home decor and home lifestyle videos from me, then hit that subscribe button as well. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.